Response to Intervention, RTI, a framework to enhance student learning through remediation. RTI is broken up in 3 instructional tiers. Tier 1, Primary Instruction, includes all students within the school. Teachers must be using research-based instruction strategies. For example, typical classroom lessons delivered by a teacher comprise Tier 1 of RTI. Good teaching is the first line of defense. Progress, monitoring, and screening are the heart of Tier 1. Teachers should periodically screen their students. Instructional Tier 2, Secondary Instruction, takes place for students that have not been able to advance out of Tier 1, Primary Instruction. Students are identified as in need of intervention and are given the opportunity to learn in smaller group settings. Teachers reinforce basic concepts. Example, students may be deficient in basic mathematical operation skills, so this aims to supplement but not replace primary instruction. Teachers should carefully monitor students in Tier 2. These students need extra attention from their teachers. Instructional Tier 3 is a serious intervention that takes place for students that continue to struggle in both Tier 1 and 2 of RTI. Here you want to increase in the time and frequency of instruction to get the help these students need. These students need individualized learning goals. These goals must be specifically targeted to each student. In Tier 3, you also have smaller groups, but they're of small groups of 1 to 2. You also have content specialists are often assigned to students in Tier 3. Example, a student may see a reading specialist 1 to 2 times a week. Key components of response to intervention are data teams. RTI schools need to create diverse data teams to evaluate and analyze all the data. Family. Family is so important to the academic success of students and should be involved every step of the way. Screening. The importance of screening should be focused on mathematics, reading comprehension, and writing. Instruction. The most important element to a child's success in a classroom is the teacher. RTI must support and empower teachers in their instructional practices. With a setup like this, I could have students use the content that I taught them and put this information in a graph like I have and explain their understanding step by step of the content that was taught.